Hello and welcome to another video for the Winter 2018 BeautyPro Box series. Today we're going to look at the exclusive item that we got from our dear friends at mynameplate.ca. Let's get started. Oh my Lanta, have we got something special for you today? mynameplate.ca was one of our featured vendors for the Winter 2018 BeautyPro Box. Let's talk about what you got. Great things come in small packages. Let's first talk about the reorder promo code on the side of the box. It's 15% off your next order, and once you see it, you're going to want more. They make great client gifts or team gifts, as well as custom pieces for special events like competition prizes or conference goodie bags, staff incentives, bridal showers, birthdays, family reunions, really any occasion, whether it be personal or professional. Thank you so much, mynameplate.ca. Alrighty then, open up the box and your eyes are greeted with this gorgeous sterling silver necklace with eyelashes on it. This was a custom exclusive piece that was designed and created only for you, the subscribers of our very first BeautyPro box for Winter 2018. There is, however, one and only one unclaimed extra that we had made, but more on that at a later date. They do not make this exact design for anyone else. That's what makes it special. And we really wanted to have something extra special for the early adopters, the subscribers to the very first box, our founding Hive members. I love and appreciate you so very much. Back to the necklace. It is double-sided, eyelashes on one side and a special message on the other side. To use this product, remove the card from the box and very carefully bend the card's corners to release the chain on both sides. Each necklace comes with a buffing cloth for cleaning. You want to handle it with clean or gloved hands to avoid getting oils on the silver. Remove the chain from the small resealable bag, open the clasp, put it around your neck, and release the clasp. We've got some care instructions on the bottom of the box. You can store your necklace in the resealable bag that it came with. You don't want to wear it in chlorinated pools or hot tubs, and you can clean it with the buffing cloth that was provided, or you can wash it with a mild soap and rinse well with clean water, completely drying it before wearing or storing it. Please wear it in good health. Okay, there you have it, the beautiful exclusive custom necklace that we got from mynameplate.ca. If you love it like I do, then please hit them up and order more with your own custom artwork. If you're just joining us, we just showed you how to best use an item from mynameplate.ca that was included in your Winter 2018 BeautyPro box. If you missed out on the Winter 2018 box, the next one will be the Spring 2019 box. For more information, you can head on to the website at www.thebeautyprobox.com. Please make sure to sign up for the email so that you can get notified as soon as the spring box is available to order. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys again real soon. Until next time, remember that we can all be the change that we want to see in the lash industry and beyond. Thank you so much.